No, no, zero, no.
SK, look at my picture. Look at my picture.
Eat, Mazira. Dela, I'm zero.
SK, there you see a picture.
SK, look at my picture.
Okay.
Rashira,
We meet at the Woolies.
Yeah, you have my number. You remember I give you my number.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can contact whenever you are coming, then we can organize a dinner or a party. No worries.
Okay.
Raga, Paravana.
Yeah.
Ayo bakilande Khasail ta where's your brother Jesus?
SK, you enjoying the life, eh? You leave me alone.
What can I say now?
Yeah, where is Mthandeni?
All right. Yeah.
Where is Mthandeni?
I'm enjoying the wine.
Oh. You see the picture?
Yeah, I'm enjoying the wine.
you see Johnny You saw the Johnny thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
today's
was
your
your
birthday.
birthday.
Yeah, it was my birthday, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
lila lila le, lila lila le. Everybody.
All right, all right.
SK, can you do me a favor?
The flower to go around the car.
No, Big
Yeah, I know Big Zoom. Yes.
Normal kaya de wakhe.
No, Big Zone.
I know Big Zulu.
Hey,
You know, SK. Yeah, can you do me a favor? Tell your friends to follow me, please. To follow my account.
They hear you now. They're following you.
No, when you say with your own mouth, they will follow me more. They'll show more love.
Palo shuru bas palawana.
My friends are here.
Yeah, Nyabonga. Yes, Gyabonga.
Yabonga.
Okay. But now I'm asking, do you know Badlane?
I don't know, boss.
You don't know Badlane?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, maybe my friend know.
I want to show you Badlane. He's
Where's
here.
my father? Where is he?
He's my bodyguard.
I know him, this one, the one with the glasses. I meet him, you remember?
No, Badlane, they don't wearing the glasses.
No, I know two, you remember? One was the one with the glasses, one without glasses.
He's preaching Allah.
Oh, Allah. Oh, okay.
In his face.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, so yeah,
Palawana. Pariu ki chakar rako.
Sabara ka chakari dar us dar ko zama sar ke na pasai no. Duniya masali baki gidalta.
Okay.
Nana bas sahi sho kana pa qisa ka ida khalak maka jidid da mur ko ne wagam. Thank you so much guys for coming.
Nalande da sokte ore.
And for a big support.
SK is my friend actually. I meet him several times.
This is my friend.
Sokte. Tatawi saile na mukine fix my phone.
Salam to all broken heart.
I was on غالك كان دي time كيسا موي بونا مونا بريدا خالك.
Salam wassalam. How are you, my brother? Broken heart. Who is this son? Pain.
SK.
Broken heart. Bedside the checker.
Yeah, Akasan we aid him again.